We now solve an equation that contains an absolute value sign. We'll solve the equation 3 times the absolute value of w minus 8 equals 37. To start out with, let's just solve for the absolute value of w, just like we were solving for x or n. To do so, we add 8 to both sides of the equation, and we have 3 times the absolute value of w equals 37 plus 8, or 45. Now let's divide both sides by 3, and we're left on the left side with the absolute value of w, and on the right side with 45 divided by 3, or 15. Now that we've solved for the absolute value of w, we need to think what numbers have an absolute value of 15. Well, on a number line, all the numbers that are 15 units away from 0 will have that absolute value. 15 is one answer that's 15 units away from 0, but there's another answer, negative 15, is also 15 units from 0. So there are actually two possible answers for w. Those are 15 and negative 15. To check, we would find that 3 times the absolute value of 15 is 45. 45 minus 8 is 37. Also, 3 times the absolute value of negative 15 will also be 45, and 45 minus 8 will be 37. So this equation has two solutions, 15 and negative 15.